Journalists matter. Yet they are too often threatened and abused just for doing their jobs. Insulted and harassed online and off, bullied to propagate falsehoods by people with a vested interest, taken to court to stop their legitimate investigations, imprisoned, tortured, killed. And it's getting worse. We need to protect journalists. Not just because they deserve and need the freedom to do their work, but because if we don't, we're not protecting democracy. The campaign for the safety of journalists is a chance for real change. Building on the Council of Europe's solid foundation of protecting human rights and safeguarding democracy, it is the sign of a real commitment by member states to act urgently to address the issue in an effective way. It will work with every part of society to create an environment that respects the role journalists play in democracy and allows them to work without hindrance. It will bring together media organizations, media owners, policymakers, law enforcement, civil society, everyone involved, making sure that efforts to protect journalists are effectively carried out and that the standards that exist already are properly put into practice. If we want a world where democracy thrives, if we want a world where freedom of expression is respected and where falsehoods are exposed, if we want to make fully informed choices in our lives, then we need to protect journalists and stop the attacks. Journalists matter. Let's make sure they can work in safety.